What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we got a 2007 Dodge Caliber. We're gonna change the window switch. This is a Doorman 901460 switch. It's almost like 180 bucks. So I'm gonna put that up there. We'll open that package up together. So here's our switch. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that tab off, and there's a screw underneath it, and then we're gonna try to remove this dark shaded area part out. It should come out. What I like to do is I'm gonna get a couple of tools to remove this, and then we'll force it out. And the reason why we changing it is because the switch is shot. All these switches are shot. Look at this one's getting stuck there. So you can repair it, but it's all up to you. We're gonna change it. So we are gonna pull that. Come on. We're gonna take that tab out of there from this pocket, and underneath you're gonna have a torque like that. I'm gonna go get some torques, and we're gonna remove this. Got me this. This is number T25. Fits well on here. And remove this little guy. Let's save this too. Now we're gonna have to pull this whole shaded part out. I'm gonna set up my camera, and then we'll start. What we're gonna do is we're gonna force this gray part out. Just like that. Use a flathead screwdriver or a fork like that, or any tools that you have that can remove this for you. But you gotta take it easy. You don't want to damage anything, and especially leave marks behind. But once you get your hand on it, you should be able to kind of pull this out. Okay. I'm gonna try. So there's nothing else. This is the only thing that's holding this. But these little guys are not gonna come out so easy, so you're gonna have to work your magic here. There you go. Once you have it out, we're gonna bring the camera a little closer. We're gonna look at it from right here. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna pull this forward, tear this apart. This is your switch here, okay? You're gonna remove this connector here. Be careful with this little thing right here. This connector comes off. So there's nothing wrong with electrical, it's just a switch is bad here. And then I'm gonna use same tools. We're gonna get the switch out of here. So you're gonna have to assist it a little bit, because these little retainers here is holding the switch in, and the switch just simply comes right out, just like that. And this tape might kind of bother you because they probably had a glued onto it. And there you have it. Just want to clean the housing up. This looks pretty clean. Our switch in this box looks something like this. So it's not a cheap switch. Almost 200 bucks for this baby. We're gonna connect. Yeah, that's not connected yet. The housing gotta be clean where it's gonna sit. So these face forward, just the way we took off. And what we're gonna do here is, so this thing should click right in, okay? You're gonna have to kind of push it down. It's gonna snap right in. Look at the other side, it looks good. And it's flush on the opposite side. We're gonna put the connectors in. And we're gonna put the second connector in. Hopefully the camera can see it. So both connectors gotta snap in. You should hear it click like that. And close this up. We're gonna bring our camera a bit back so the camera can see it. Just like that. And now the easy part. This is the easiest part. You take your hands, bang, 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 bang. Make sure everything is aligned though. Other than that, it's not gonna bang, bang. You're gonna take it out like me, like an idiot. Let's bang one more time, but let's align it. Okay, there you go. 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 Once everything is aligned, you should be able to put your torque screw back in. Everything should align. Do try your switch, okay? And make sure you snap this back in. It snaps right in. Just the same way you took off. And it should click right in. There you go. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put the key in the ignition. Lock and unlock, try that. Window should go up and down. Okay. And there you go. Everything works. We lock the windows and unlock the windows. Bada bing, bada boom, we're all set. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.